how to back up Google Photos on an external drive. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can back up Google Photos locally on an external drive. So let's get into it. So for example, I'm going to open up my Explorer right here, and let's say I want to back up my photos over here in the pictures folder. I'll go ahead and create a new folder, and I'll call it Google Photos or G Photos, whatever you want to call it, or backup. Next, there we go. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and sign in into your Google Photos account. So here we go. Next, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto Google Takeout, and here you want to go ahead and not select everything, but scroll down, or just simply press Control F or Command F, open up the search bar and just search for photos, which you will find right here. So here we go. So you can see right here, we've got 66 selected. I don't want to have all of that selected. So what I'll do is deselect everything, scroll down. Here we have Google Photos. We're going to select Google Photos, and we're going to select all photos in album included. You can see right here, these are everything. Click on OK, scroll to the very bottom and click on next step. Next, you can go with destination, send download via link to drive, to OneDrive, to box, whatever option you want. Totally depends on you. So here, keep it over here. It will send you a link via email. You can export once or export every 2 months for 1 year. Totally depends on you, which will be 6 exports, but I'll go with export 1. File type zip, and you can add the file size over here to whatever you want. If you have files exceeding the 2 GB version or 2 GB, it'll split them into multiple files over here. So totally depends on you. I'll just go with 4 GB right here. You can see right here, export larger than the size will be split into multiple files. Zip files larger than 2 GB will be compressed into zip64. Older operating systems may not be able to open this format. Totally depends on you. So I'll just go with 2 GB. Then click on send export. Export process is going to be over here. Please try to create your export again. What does that mean? Let me go ahead and check my email just in case. All right, sorry about that. My internet disconnected, but now we are back. So here you can see Google Export is creating a copy. This can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You'll receive an email when the export is done. So this is the time right here. So you can cancel this export, but it's already done. You should be able to receive an email. Here we go. Archive data request. There we go. You're getting this email because there's been a request to create an archive of your Google data. All right, so we've got the email, but this is not the email. This is just a notification. But once we have the email, it'll give us the download link, which we can go ahead and click on it, and then we can just simply select the folder that we have over here, and we can download those files within this folder. And there we go. That's how you do it. This is one of the annoying parts, that why can't I just get the email quickly? But it is what it is. So there you go. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.